everyone, wait. First, you watch this video for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you think yourself that how this video will help you. Okay, so friends, first I would like to tell you, if you are watching this video first time here, then first subscribe the channel. And friends, let me tell you my short introduction. So I'm Sonia, I'm from East Uttar Pradesh, and if you are learning English language, then this video is especially for you, so watch this video till the end. Okay, so in this video we will going to talk based on how you can improve your English without spending any single rupee. Okay, and so let's get started our video. Friends, first I would like to tell you, if you are watching me, then first I would say, still I am learning English language. If you don't understand how to start and where to start, and first of all what to learn, firstly what to learn in English, that we can improve our English language. So my friends, these things we will talk to in this video. See my friends, if you are a beginner, truly beginner, and you want to learn English language, so my friends, and one thing, you don't want to learn grammar rules as well. So my friends, if you are a beginner and if you live in such area, such palace where English is not spoken, okay, so you don't have such environment where English is not is spoken, then my friends, in my opinion, you should learn basic grammar rules. Basic grammar rules, that means you can learn tenses and helping verb, modal verb, causative verb, and phrasal verb, and pronoun table. That's the enough for learning English language, and something or the other you will keep learning every day. Okay, day by day. You should learn basic grammar rules if you are living such palace where English is not spoken. Okay, so my friend, this short thing is related to grammar rules, and if you are belong such palace where English tuition is not available, because some people are living in such palace where English tuition is not available. Really, yes, I know friends, because in my village is not available spoken English classes as well, so I can understand anything. Then how you can improve? Let me tell you friends. Wait, you have mobile now? Yes, you have mobile. So rather than watching so many videos which is related to entertainment, and friends, rather than watching entertainment videos, you can watch such videos which can help you so much to learn English language. Yes my friends, you have mobile, so everything is available over your smartphone, so you can use. Just you will have to do it, then you can. Okay, only if you think I will do this, I will do that, then my friends, only think. If you only think, then nothing can be happen. Okay, if you want to do something, then you will have to try. My friends, this was related to money. If you don't have money, then you can learn, as yet, if you want to. Okay, because everything is available over your phone. Just you have to search your phone and started to learn English language. And if you want to do something or the other, then you can learn all things by using social media. That means phone. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to learn, then you can learn sitting at your home and no need to go anywhere else. Okay, nowadays is social media era, so you can learn using by social media that means phone, and everything is available on the phone. And friends, some apps is available over their phone, then you can download and you can use it. Okay. And if we talk about learning English language especially, then so there are some apps name like peer app, and speak as learn, and Cambly, and chat gpt. So there are so many applications are available over their phone. Just you will have to do your work. Okay. Whatever you want to do, you can search your phone, and you can start your learning journey. Okay. And friends, if you want to go coaching, tuition, coaching class where English is spoken, maybe coaching classes is not available in your village, because my dear friends, spoken classes, because my friends, English spoken classes is not available in my village. That's why I am telling you, maybe. Okay. Friends, maybe coaching classes are available, but maybe coaching classes far away from your home. Yes, maybe. So if you want to go coaching, then friends, it will take time. You will have to get ready and you will have to go. In my opinion, you should learn at your home, because you can learn sitting your home. So no need to go anywhere else. Just uh, you have to start your journey. Okay. And you can learn anything without spending any single rupee. So why need to go anywhere else? Why need to join spoken English classes? If you have phone, then you can do all things, then you can learn all things. Okay. If you discipline, then anyone can't stop you to learn anything. Start your journey. My friends, one thing I would like to tell you, friends, um don't fear mistakes, don't fear fumbling, and don't fear anything. Just whatever you want to do, then um, start your journey, and don't think mistakes and don't fear mistakes. Okay. Because mistake is a part of learning. So um, you do mistakes, and if you do mistakes, then you can learn by mistakes. Okay. So friends, if you want to, then you can use mirror technique. You can go in front of mirror, and you can speak, and you can watch your body language, your speaking style. You can do everything. So my friends, the more you mistake, the more you improve. Okay. And if you only think like I will, when I will speak, when I will mistake, then my friends, don't think like this. Okay. Especially I would say, friends, if you make deliberately some excuses that I don't have this thing, I don't have those things, that's why I could not learn English language. So friends, stop excuses. Stop make excuses. Okay. If you want to do, then you can do by practicing, by trying, by work hard working. Okay. So don't make excuses. Just start and learn whatever you want, whatever you have dream, whatever you have goal. Just start learn. Okay, my friends. So if you are learning, then you can learn one day, and you will be able to speak English one day. And if you are thinking like I'm learning English for a few months, then now I can't speak English as well properly. My friends, keep learning. One day you will be able to speak English fluently. Only in one day, all thing is not possible. Okay. Friends, simultaneously you can't learn all things. That's all in today's video. Just I wanted to share with you how you can improve your English without going to anywhere else, without join any spoken classes. Just you can learn English sitting at your home, okay, and without spending even a single penny. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like, then please subscribe the channel and motivate me make more video and support me, guys. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and have a nice day. Bye.